Well, out of my YouTube history, this is the first dish I don't like. It's no offense to Icelandic cuisine. Hi guys, welcome to Patreksfjörður in the very northwest of Iceland. A beautiful area and delicious fish. And that's the reason I'm here right now. I would love to introduce you to Mr. Thorsteinn. And Mr. Thorsteinn is captain of a cod boat. He is going out for the most delicious, sustainable cod. And we're going to make your favorite cod recipe today, right?
It's overnight salted cod.
Overnight salted cod. Okay, so we start salting the fish, right?
Yeah.
That's step number one. And Thorsteinn is using like a whole fillet, but if you would like to eat a bit less, then you just use like a loin, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just put a little bit salt. Yeah, a lot of it. Yeah.
A lot of salt.
A lot of salt.
So you just cover the flesh side, because as you can see, this is still skin on. So you've salted the fish, so we would have it in the fridge, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and of course guys, we have prepped this already yesterday night, so we just swapped one plate with fish, and here we go. And what would be the next step then?
I will take the bones out. If I was a professional, then you get more fish out of it. And that's just my way to do it.
We make portions of cod. So we just plate them up and leave them here, because we first going to boil the potatoes.
Now we're gonna put the fish into this water here.
So all the pieces into cold water, and we add some salt, right?
Yeah.
That might be like 2 teaspoons,
Yeah.
half a tablespoon, that's fine. And now we bring that fish to boil. So this way of cooking, it's so simple, but it's so super delicious. But there is one point you need to be really aware of. As soon as the water is boiling, you cut the fire, there's no more fire, you just put a lid on and you keep it there. Okay, we continue. Please explain us what's laying in front of us here.
This is a lamb fat from inside the stomach of a lamb. This is a very old tradition.
Okay.
Now, the younger people, they don't like it.
Okay.
But I grew up with my grandfather and my grandmother, and they are used to eat this then. That's why they are strong.
That's the secret. That's the little
that's the
secret.
secret.
You cut like a piece out of it?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
this is good?
Yeah.
Wow. Look, how do we use it?
Now we just put it in here.
Okay.
And see, and turn it off and just melt it. See, it has to be very, very hot.
Okay, so potatoes are boiling. Would you please check, Stini, if they're ready? And the cod is inside here. And here, look at the piping hot lamb fat, which will be poured over the fish. Actually, if you cannot find any lamb fat, it's fine to use melted butter too, right? Gives flavor too. So instead of the lamb fat, use. So guys, this is Robert, and he's the fish trader, and he's trying to make sure we can continue cooking.
When the alarm started to
Then you're now ready to
then
cook.
this is ready.
Okay, alarm has been switched off now. We continue cooking. So, potatoes have been boiled. Oh, he's... Yeah. Okay, I think it's time to plate up, right? So we have the potatoes. What I want is to have the flavor of that fat, that lamb fat, going into the potatoes, right? So mix it with the beautiful flavor of these potatoes. Next one, fish. And if you look here, it's firm because of the salt. And what I do, I just place it on top of the potatoes. Beautiful cod loins. Okay, Stini, the lamb fat is ready?
Yeah.
Okay. It smells quite good, actually. Then, typically Icelandic, right, is the rye bread. I think it would be nice to have bits and pieces of the rye bread over it. Maybe it's not truly Icelandic tradition, but maybe we create a new tradition, right?
Yeah, it looks very, very good.
It looks nice,
Yeah.
good. It's time for a taste now.
Yeah.
What I heard, and you need to say if it's true or not, is that you only eat this like twice a year. It's a tradition.
Yeah.
Because the fat is a bit maybe
Not healthy or
not
something.
healthy. So it's a treat, right? It's a treat.
Yeah, it's a treat, yeah.
But I'm really curious what's the taste like. Good. So we have a bit of the potato, a bit of the rye, a bit of the cod.
Yeah.
Ooh. Sorry, guys. To be honest, I don't like it.
No, I know. That's why we put it on the side.
Yeah, that's the reason you never pour it over
No.
for your visitors.
No.
Well, out of my YouTube history, this is the first dish I don't like, but it's a matter of taste. I mean,
Yeah.
you just give it a try, see if you like it, or use butter instead. I think that will be my next dish.
Yeah.
And guys, if you have any comments, any questions on Iceland, Icelandic food, fishing, please leave them in the leave your comment or question down in the box below. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more delicious seafood recipes. Steenie, thank you very much. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. See you next Fishy
Bye-bye.
Friday. Bye.
That's why we are strong here in Iceland.
Yeah.